Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update Firefox to the latest version. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course any other browser and download Firefox, as it does not come with the Windows system. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the search box, and in the top side also, we have the tabs and we have the shortcuts. And in the top right corner, we have the three horizontal lines where you have a lot of things, settings included. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update Firefox to the latest version. So first of all, launch the Firefox browser on your computer, as I told you in the start of the video, and click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And scroll down and click on the Help, which is the last option here. Then click on About Firefox. And here your window will open. Then Firefox will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will be downloaded and installed. Once the download is complete, click on Restart to update Firefox to complete the process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.